Pests like cockroaches and ants belong outdoors, but they can occasionally invade through small cracks and crevices in our homes and structures. To control common invasive insects in and around your property, use Defender Dust to create long-lasting residual barriers in the tight, hard-to-reach spaces these pests use to invade. Defender Dust is a powerful deltamethrin insecticide that offers protection against a broad range of pests for up to 8 months if left undisturbed. On contact or if ingested, the deltamethrin will break down an insect's nervous system, rendering it unable to function. Defender Dust is lightweight and waterproof. This product will remain active in moist or humid areas like crawl spaces or voids in outdoor foundations. Defender Dust is ready to use and easy to apply, making it a favorite among do-it-yourselfers and professionals alike. Defender Dust can be applied directly from its container. Simply twist the tip of the cap and squeeze the bottle to dispense dust. Instead of applying from the bottle, however, we recommend you use a handheld duster with a long, narrow spout to treat tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas. Use Defender Dust to treat cracks, crevices, voids, or wall penetrations. If this product is properly applied, no dust will be visible. To use Defender Dust with a handheld duster, open the bottle and pour the appropriate amount of dust into the duster. For most handheld dusters, this is typically no more than half of the duster's volume. This is to ensure there is enough airflow to reliably transport the dust. Close the duster and shake to break up and distribute the product. Most dusters come with a small iron ball or a similar object that helps break up clumps. If your duster did not come with one, use a small coin. When ready, stick the duster's spout into the area to be treated and lightly puff a fine, even layer of product. The amount of dust you output will depend on the force applied when you squeeze the duster and the position the duster is held in. Defender Dust has an indoor application rate of 1 ounce per 125 square feet, or half a pound per 1,000 square feet. To treat the leaves of shrubs and ornamentals, apply at the labeled rate of 8 ounces per 1,000 square feet. Defender Dust can be used in and around buildings, structures, and their immediate surroundings. Permitted areas of use include, but are not limited to, animal quarters, houses, apartments, mobile homes and recreational vehicles, and household greenhouses. Apply this product as a proactive approach before pest activity or as part of a treatment plan for an active infestation. Outdoor treatments should be made when the weather is calm and when rainfall is not expected for the next 24 hours after application. Defender Dust is labeled to treat ants, cockroaches, fleas, silverfish, ticks, termites, and numerous stored product pests. Defender Dust is safe to use around children and pets when applied according to the product label instructions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment when handling or applying this product. Allow dust to settle in treated areas before allowing people and pets to re-enter. Defender Dust is not intended for broadcast surface applications. Indoor applications should be made only to cracks, crevices, voids, or wall penetrations, and when applied properly, Defender Dust should not be visible to anyone from a normal viewpoint. Defender Dust is undetectable by insects when used according to label directions. Only a thin layer of dust is necessary. A thick layer is excessive and wasteful, as pests may avoid contact with the product.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.